if I give you a very big expansion and ask you that how many zeros at the end. For example, I give you 67350 and to the power 691324. This is big, right? But how many zeros at the end? Answer is directly 691344. 691 and 344. So because that will be repeated every time, this will be coming. But what happens if I find the last zero, how many zeros at end? Zeros at end for 68 factorial. Very easy, right? So what is a factorial? Let me just write it. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 9 into 10 into 11 into 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't worry, I will not write till 68. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and dot 64, 66, 67 and 68. Isn't it a big product? Yes. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to find it out. So every time you have a combination of 2 and 5, you are getting a 0. So 2 and 5, the first 0 comes in. 0 itself here, in the second 0 comes in. Then there is a 15 and 12, then the third 0 comes in. Then there is 20, then the fourth 0 comes in. Then there is 25, so there's a couple of 5s, so which is coming, so that gives you one extra 0 over here. So that gives you the fifth part. So how to calibrate this thing? So there is a formula, 68, so all it matters is 5. Next it is 5 square, and next it is 5 cube, and you proceed. But this will not be applicable over here because we will do it until and unless the denominator is lower than the numerator. So 5 30s are 65. As it's a GIF, greatest integer function, we will not be taking any decimal places. So 13 to 25 to the 16, 27, 50. So 15 is the answer. You can take it for a higher as well, like 784 factorial. So 784 by 5, 784 by 5 square, 784 by 5 cube, 784 by 5 to the power 4. That's it. And put a GIF for everything. So 5, 15 is a 75, 5, 16, 30, 156, 75, 31, then 4, this is 500, 6 is this, 625, 650, 6 is going. Okay, so 6 is 125 into 6, so 750, so we are okay with it, and this is only 1, so this is 156, 157, 164, 194. That's it. So this is the number of zeros formula at the end. All you have to do is keep on dividing by 5 and 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, until unless you find it the numerator is not higher than the denominator. So you will stop at that point and your job is done. In the upcoming video we will be talking about the expansionary GF and the FPF as well.